Another myth, and this I hear from contractors quite regularly. Foam's an air barrier, so I don't have to install as much insulation. We get the benefit of being an air infiltration barrier, an air barrier. We know that the Department of Energy has said 40 to 60% of the cost associated with HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, essentially controlling the indoor climate, 40 to 60% of that cost is associated with uncontrolled air leakage. That's why ASHRAE 90.1 was brought into the building code, and it deals with and requires an air barrier. That's great. Spray foam's a wonderful air barrier. That doesn't mean we get to deduct the amount of insulation we use because we are using a spray foam and it's an air barrier. I don't need as much insulation. It's not correct. Our value and insulation is there to stop condensation. Air barriers are there to stop air moving around things. You still have diffusion of moisture through products. That's what a vapor barrier is to stop. That's to address diffusion, okay? You still need something to stop potential condensation, and that's a temperature thing. And that's what insulation is for. So when the building code says R38, you need to install R38. You take your R value of your spray foam that you're using, you divide it into R38, and that'll tell you how many inches of foam you need to install. Just because it's a great air barrier doesn't mean you get to deduct something off of that thickness.
To help you understand a little bit more about spray foam and to help you integrate it into your operation, I've created educational courses on my website at letstalkpur.com, or you can click on the link in the video description. I encourage you to check them out. I'll see you there.